Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025. It's a sunny Monday now. It wasn't before. Uh-oh. I got friends here. Oh.
Hello, how are you today? It's Monday morning. It's 14 degrees on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. And it's 14 degrees in Grand Prairie, Alberta. Yes, it's the bird weather report. Look.
Yeah, it's 14. Maybe get up to 17. For both places. Grand Prairie and... Oh, I got an itch. Here. Oh, itchy. Oh, man, I just woke up. Got a scratch. Gotta trim my feathers. Look good for my man. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, itchy polka dot bikini. But I don't wear a bikini, I wear feathers. Anyways, I don't even know how I know that song. But, hey, school zone speed limits are in effect from 7:30 till 5. I don't know how I know that, because, I don't have any kids in school. Anyways, what can I say? Cheap. It's cheap. Anyways, I'll give you back to that weather guy. He knows his stuff. Pretty good weather prognosticator. Anyways, I gotta check out my babies. Oh. There's my guy. Looky here. He's a handsome guy. What can I say? Anyways, back to the guy.